Welcome back to MKE Gadgets. Today we're going to work with my combination square set that has a protractor head and a center finding head. And I have them all laid out here. And if you put all three of these in the drawer in your toolbox, it would take up practically one drawer. And I think toolboxes are expensive and they take up floor space in your shop. So I come up with an alternative, and that is to 3D print these little holders. They're labeled 12-inch combination, 12-inch center, and protractor head. That way, when the tool is gone, you know what goes in there. I 3D printed these all out, and look down below. There'll be a link on Thingiverse on where you can find the models so you can print these out yourself. To attach them to my board, I'm using 6 x 3/4 Phillips head screws. All the holes are chamfered so the head sits flush so it doesn't scratch the tool when you're taking it in and out. Let's go over to my tool wall and we'll install these holders. Here I am, what I'm calling my tool wall. It's a piece of plywood that's 3/4 of an inch thick times 48 inches times 48 inches. This is going to replace my toolboxes. I'm going to make custom holders for all my tools and hang them on the wall. So right here I found a center. It's 24 inches from any side. And my combination square set is one of the tools I use the most. If I'm milling, if I'm lathing, welding, layout, it's one of my go-to tools. It's usually the first tool you use, so I thought I'd put it in the center just to make it easy to find. I pre-drilled all the holes. So with the 3 holders up, the screws are nice and flush. Protractor head, combination square, and centering head. Now they all have a little shelf there so they can't fall off. You don't want them to fall off and get damaged. Now as time goes by, I'm going to add more and more tools to this wall. That's the first installation of my tools on the wall, and this is to eliminate toolboxes, make the tools easier to get. You open up a drawer, the tools slide and bang into each other. That also will be eliminated. This is a visual aid to have all my tools readily available and easy to find. This is MKE Gadgets. I hope you found this informative. Please share this with your friends. Check down below for a link to Thingiverse for these models if you want to make these yourself. Please subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you tomorrow.